going to look at some of the changes and updates to the Power Platform. First on the list is Power Apps. It's the easiest way to create apps for your company. Very simple and very low code, so anyone could do it. The most of the changes are focused on making the interface more user-friendly. So, for example, we have facilitated controls, mainly in security roles, which now appears as inside of Power Apps instead of opening a new window in a separate process. Saving the app is now available on all pages, and the dashboards are now more modifiable, more dynamic, including this option to hide charts or show charts. In addition, we have the Power BI embedded in the portal designer. Previously, a Power BI object was liquid. You had to grab it by its ID. Now it's saved as a component, so it's much easier to drag and drop. In addition, we have one application for Canvas and model-driven mobile apps. So again, Power Apps updates mostly to unify and make each piece of the app easier to use.